Hello everyone. So today we'll see how the text-based editing is being used in Premiere Pro, and this is a new feature which will be introduced in the upcoming Adobe Premiere Pro latest version, that is 24.0. So this is basically like we'll be creating a project, and just to name a project, please make sure that you're selecting the files which have the audio in it so that we can use this particular feature, that is text-based editing, because this will only be accessible, or this will only be possible if you have any audio in your clips. So let's see if we have the audio in our clip, then we'll select the language from here. Then we have the speaker labeling. If there are more than one speakers, I'll select this as yes, because I have a file which is consisting of two different speakers. Then I'll click on the auto transcribed all imported clips. So I have the project created. I'll just go to the edit menu, and so these are basically the files which I have edited or which I have imported. It's Billy and JD interview. Okay. So I'll just click on or double click on one of the files. So once you see these files imported, just click on the window tab and click on the text option. So you'll have the text page here. Double click on the file and click on the text, and you'll see that you have the entire transcript here in this particular page. So first of all, I'll name the speakers because I have two different speakers. So I'll name them first and then we'll proceed further. So once I've named the speakers, I'll just save the speaker name, and then I'll search for devotee, or I'll search for devotion. So now I want to import this particular clip or this particular part of the clip in my timeline, and I want to edit this, or I just want this particular part of the clip. So I'll select the clip and click on the insert option, and it basically inserts this particular part of the video. You can just have a preview of
Well, the
this.
story of devotion is
Now I'll go in on the second video, that is from GD's interview. Double click on this and then click on the text option. So here also you have the same thing. I'll select this part and I'll import this particular portion of the video in my timeline. I'll move the cursor ahead and then I'll select this particular part and will import into the timeline. I'll double click on the GD clip, click on this, click on insert option, and I have the video file in there.
well, the story of devotion is
So this was basically to insert or to import the files using your text. Now you see some ellipsis options which are there in this particular tab. So these basically indicates that there are some pauses at these particular points. So just to remove these pauses, you have to select this particular file and you'll get the extract option. You can remove by this particular option, or you can right click on this and click on the delete button, or you have also an option that is backspace. So I'll just select this and click on the backspace option, and this has been removed from here. The best thing about this is, like, if I want to get the second clip which is there in the timeline just before the clip which I have imported for the first. So I'll copy this particular text, okay, and then I'll delete this particular text from here. It removes the clip from here, and I'll put my cursor and paste the text here. It inserts the text before this, and the video is imported before the second video. So do you see the difference? And now I'll do one more thing. I'll remove these spaces or these pauses from the video first, which is at the end of the video one, and the pauses which are at the start of the video second. So to remove them, I'll just click on this and extract, select this and extract. So it has removed the pauses from the video, and then I can see, or I can figure out that the same content is there in both of the videos. So I think that I'll be deleting some of the portion from video one, okay, or basically I'll delete this particular portion from video second. I'll just click on backspace and it has been deleted, and you'll be able to see that the video length is also minimized, or basically it has been reduced, and the portion which we have deleted from the text, the same video has been removed from the timeline itself. Okay, that's all for the text-based editing. Thank you.